A remarkable cream, recrafted to target skin's potential for self-regeneration, to unlock its source of vitality. Specifically designed for use at night, after cleansing, serum, lotion, and emulsion or cream. Take a pearl-sized amount. Apply in 5 dots and smooth it over your skin evenly. Finally, to seal in la crème, lay your palms against each cheek and glide gently from the chin to the temples. Repeat 3 times. Luxurious, intensively nourishing, making skin feel rejuvenated by the morning. Unlock the power of your radiance.